Underneath the sparkling blue waves, in a place called the Rainbow Reef, lived many amazing creatures. The ocean was full of magic, color, and friendship. One of the reef's favorite friends was Shelly the sea snail. Shelly was small and very, very slow, but she had a big heart and a mind that never gave up. She loved exploring the reef, one tiny inch at a time. Then there was Dash the dolphin. Dash was the fastest creature in the entire reef. He loved to swim in giant loops and zoom past his friends. "Look at me!" he would shout. "I'm the fastest in the sea!" Dash was very proud of his speed. One sunny morning, Dash saw Shelly crawling slowly on a pink rock. "Shelly, you are just too slow," Dash laughed. "I could swim around the whole reef 10 times before you even reach that next coral." Dash was being very boastful. Shelly didn't feel bad at all. She just smiled. "You are very fast, Dash," she said softly, "but I like to see all the beautiful things on my way. Being slow isn't a bad thing if you keep moving forward." Dash just shook his head. "Then let's have a race," Dash challenged. "The first one to reach the golden shell on top of Star Rock is the champion. Everyone will see who is the best." Shelly nodded bravely. "I accept your challenge, Dash." The news of the great sea race spread quickly. The whole reef came to watch. Hugo the hippofish floated at the starting line, holding a green seaweed flag. Shelly looked focused, and Dash looked very confident. Hugo counted down. 3, 2, 1, go! With a mighty splash, Dash was gone. He was just a bright blue blur in the water, leaving everyone behind. Shelly started her slow, steady crawl. Step by step, Dash was so fast. In just a minute, he was already halfway to the golden shell. He looked back and laughed. "Shelly is probably still at the starting line," he thought. He felt so sure he would win that he started to relax, but Shelly didn't look back. She kept her eyes on Star Rock. 1, 2, 3. She hummed a little song as she moved. "Slow and steady, slow and steady," she told herself. She knew she would get there. Suddenly, Dash saw something amazing. A parade of bubblefish was passing by. They were blowing thousands of shiny, floating bubbles that glowed in the light. Dash stopped. Dash decided to play. "Shelly is so slow, it doesn't matter," he thought. He played with the bubblefish for a long time. He did flips and chased the bubbles until he was a bit tired. He completely forgot about the race. While Dash was playing, Shelly kept moving. She didn't stop for the bubbles. She didn't stop to play. She crawled right past Dash, focused and determined. She was getting closer and closer to Star Rock. Step by step, inch by inch. Next was the kelp forest maze. Dash finally finished playing and swam to the forest. "I'll just zoom through this," he said, but the kelp was thick and tangled. He kept getting stuck and had to wiggle his way out. Dash was getting frustrated. Dash saw a soft sea sponge. "I'm so tired from all that playing," he yawned. "I'll just take a tiny 5-minute nap. Shelly won't be here for hours." Dash closed his eyes and fell into a deep sleep. Zzz. Dash was dreaming of winning. She saw Dash sleeping on the sponge, but she didn't wake him. She just kept going. Across the maze and up the side of Star Rock. She was almost there. While Dash dreamed of trophies and cheers, Shelly was doing the hard work. She didn't dream of winning. She worked for it. She was now at the very top of Star Rock. The golden shell was glowing right in front of her. Just one more crawl. Dash woke up with a giant start. "Oh no! The race! The golden shell!" he cried. He saw Shelly's trail and zoomed toward the top of Star Rock like a blue rocket. "I can still win!" he cried. Splash, splash! He gave it everything he had, but it was too late. Just as Dash arrived, Shelly reached out and touched the golden shell. Ding! The shell glowed with a beautiful, magical golden light. "Shelly is the winner!" shouted Hugo the hippo fish. Everyone cheered for the little snail who never gave up. What a celebration! Shelly was crowned the champion of the reef. Dash swam over slowly, feeling a little silly. "I'm sorry I boasted, Shelly," he said. "You may be slow, but you never stopped. You are the real champion today." Remember, little friends, persistence makes dreams come true. No matter how slow you go, keep going. Persistence is the key to success.